In the first example, we have multiplication and power. We're supposed to first raise 7 to the second power. So we have 5 times 7 to the second power is equal 49. 5 times 49, we have 49 times 5. 5 times 9 is equal 45. I write 5 and carry off 4. 5 times 4 is equal 20. 20 plus 4 is equal 24. So I'm supposed to write over here 245, and this is the solution to my first problem. Let's take a look at the second example. This time we have multiplication, subtraction, addition inside of the parentheses, and we have also power. But what we can do over here? We can perform this multiplication even if we have power in our problem. Why? Because this multiplication is separate from this part of my problem by subtraction. So if 8 times 6 is equal 48 minus 5 plus 1 is equal 6, and 6 is raised to the second power. I have 48 minus 6 to the second power is equal 36, equals 48 minus 36. 8 minus 6 is equal 2, 4 minus 3 is equal 1, 12. This is the solution to my problem.